And once you get a properly tuned antenna, it will not matter what length coax you use.
The length of coax you use has a huge role on your antenna setup in your radio station. That determines the amount of loss you're going to receive. So, for example, 18 feet of coax, you might lose about maybe 4, 5, 6 watts every 100 watts you're putting out. If you have 100 foot of coax, you could be losing up to possibly, much more. It depends on what it is, I suppose, on how your coax is. Whether you got RG58 or you got RG8X, or you have LMR 400, LMR 240, or RG 213. Each one has its own different characteristics and its different variations as to the amount of loss you're going to have. So yes, it does make a difference on the length of coax you have. So for someone to say it does not is completely wrong. It does make a difference.